You're not lazy. Your brain just hates hard things. You know you should go to the gym, start that side hustle, or finally tackle that big project. But instead, you scroll, procrastinate, and tell yourself you'll do it later. The problem? Your brain is wired to seek comfort and avoid pain, even when that pain is something that will make your life better. But what if you could trick your brain into liking hard things? Here's how. Lower the resistance. The harder something feels, the more your brain resists it. So instead of forcing yourself to just do it, make it ridiculously easy to start. Want to work out? Just commit to 5 push-ups. Need to write? Open a blank document and type 1 sentence. The key is momentum. Once you start, your brain is much more likely to keep going. Turn it into a game. Your brain loves games, especially when there's a reward. Set small challenges with instant gratification. Studying? See how much you can learn in 10 minutes. Working out? Try to beat your last rep count. When you attach rewards, even something small like crossing a task off a list, your brain starts craving the challenge instead of avoiding it. Make it a habit, not a choice. If you wake up every day asking yourself, do I feel like doing this? The answer will always be no. Instead, remove the choice. Attach the hard thing to something you already do, like doing 10 squats after brushing your teeth. The more automatic it becomes, the less your brain fights it. Trick your dopamine system. Your brain avoids hard things because they don't give instant rewards. But you can hack this by pairing them with something enjoyable. Listen to your favorite music while working out. Drink a nice coffee while studying, or use a fun app to track progress. Over time, your brain starts associating the hard thing with pleasure instead of pain. Rewire your identity. Your brain resists hard things when it sees them as something you have to do. But when you shift your identity, I'm the kind of person who loves challenges. Everything changes. Instead of forcing discipline, you make hard things part of who you are. The 5-minute rule. Your brain overestimates how painful a task will be, but once you start, it's never as bad as you think. The trick? Commit to just 5 minutes. Tell yourself you'll only do the hard thing for 5 minutes, and then you can stop. Most of the time, you won't stop. You'll keep going because starting is the hardest part. Use the pain-first method. Your brain seeks comfort, so flip the script. Start your day with the hardest task first, before your willpower runs out. If you eat the frog in the morning, doing the hardest thing first, everything else feels easier. Plus, your brain gets a dopamine boost from overcoming a challenge early on, making you more productive for the rest of the day. Attach it to a bigger purpose. If a task feels meaningless, your brain will resist it. But if you tie it to something bigger, your dream body, financial freedom, personal growth, it becomes easier to push through. Instead of focusing on the struggle, focus on why it matters. Make the process about something greater than just the task itself. Your brain isn't the enemy. It's just doing what it's designed to do. But when you trick it into liking hard things, you unlock a version of yourself that doesn't need motivation. You just get things done. Try these tricks and watch how your life changes. Would you try this? Let me know in the comments.